Hi guys, welcome to Flavian Hub. Today we'll be unboxing this TP-Link CPE210. So guys, this is the box. This is how it looks like. As you can see guys, so it supports up to 300 Mbps and is directional antennas. It has directional antennas. So we have some specification here. If you want to pause here, so if you want to pause to read, you can. So guys, let us unbox and see how it looks. So let us unbox. Let's see what is inside the box. So guys, this TP-Link CPE210, I bought it for around $35 US. So let us see what is inside. So just open like this. So this CPE210, it transmits, it has high power output, which is it's good for long range and good for outdoor and between buildings. So guys, as you can see, these are what you can, it comes in the box. So let's see, we have manual or installation. Yes, now guys, we have our installation guide here. So you can see, you can if you want to read, you can read this one. Then we have another one here, installation guide, which is don't know why they have included two. Oh yes, because this is on a different language, so this is not English. Now on the box we have first we have two zip ties for mounting, as you can see, for mounting. Then we have a power cable, as you can see, this is power cable, UK plug. Then we have a PoE adapter, as you can see, this one, because this device does not have a separate power adapter. It uses PoE for power, as you can see. Then we have some screws here for mounting. Then we have the device itself, as you can see. This is the device, the CPE210. So if mostly if you want to buy this, only buy for outdoor installation, because the device supports is mostly suitable for outdoor environment. If you want to install on indoors, find good devices which can support which are good for indoor devices, but for this is good for outdoors. Now let's see what specification it has. Mostly it doesn't have anything outside because it is for outdoors, because of the weather and what have you. We have nothing on outside except these power LEDs. No, sorry, not power LEDs. These LEDs will shows you the quality of the signal. Then we have one here for LAN and one for power. The rest are your for power signals. Then we have your mounting here, if you want to mount on a pole, or maybe if you want to mount on a wall. Then here you have to slide this one like this, so that you will able to see. We have this one, only one Ethernet port, which is here. This is not good. They could have included maybe two. This is a con. So then we have like one here, which is like an earth ground, that is, as you can see, it's like a ground. Then we have a reset switch here. If you have messed up and you want to reset, we have a reset switch here. So you can if you close it like this, let me show, you will be left with this, only this hole where you will pass only one cable, because this is a PoE. Supports PoE. You don't need a lot of cable, only one Ethernet cable which comes out of here, so it doesn't need a lot of cable from this side. So the design is very nice. It is weatherproof. As you can see, if you mount, there is no anywhere where the water or any damage will incur from weather. So guys, this device supports, the range is up to 5 kilometers, mostly where there is no obstruction on a clear place or a clear field or point to point direction. It is up to 5 kilometers, and antennas which focus signal to a specific direction, which to maintain a strong strong connections. And it is IP65 rated, so it is weatherproof. So it can withstand harsh outdoor condition, including rain, dust, and extreme temperatures. Let's see the cons of this device CPE210. First, it only supports 2.4 gigahertz. There is no support for 5 gigahertz, and also it only supports 10 to 100 Mbps, so there is no gigabit Ethernet. And then it supports only speed up to 300 Mbps, and also it is a shorter range with obstruction. So because this is not good for indoors, or maybe where you place it on outdoor, where there is obstruction, the range will be very poor. Also, we have only one Ethernet port here, so it could be they could have maybe installed two, but I can understand because of outdoor location, I think you only need one. But if you wanted to connect many devices which require cabling, you need to buy maybe a switch or something. So you can use this CPE10 for various connection. Like you can use it as access point, and also you can use it as a client mode, which connected to existing wireless networks. You can use this as bridge mode, which is like two networks over long distance. And also you can use it as a repeater. You can extend your existing signal, and also you can use it to broadcast wireless signals. So let me show you how you can connect it so that you will enjoy the services of this. It has the Faro system. It is called TP-Link Faros management system, which is good when you want to control many of these devices. So if you download that management, or I think it is web based, so that's management. If you have that management, you can control many CP10 under one management system. So guys, let me show you how you can connect or how you can set up. So let's do that. You need two Ethernet cable for start. So you can see I have this one. This is the first one. It's very long, so I had to roll it like this. Now first you need to connect to the power. So we have this PoE, and then we have this power cable. So plug it just here. Then after plugging this, you can plug it to your wall socket. Like this, and this will light green. It's just green, but I think you can see, I don't know, it is a green color, so it will light green. Then you need this cable, this one, plug it on the PoE side here. Just plug it here, so you can see here, you can plug it like this. Then plug the other side here on your device like this. Just plug it there, and as you can see, now we have power. As you can see, now another thing, on this side of your PoE switch, this side, you just need another cable, which it will go to your computer, where you will set the device, anything else, and also you can still plug another Ethernet cable which comes from your modem, so that it will act as an access point. So if you plug it here, let me show you. If you plug it here, it will tell you if you have, as you can see, this one is blinking, so that means that it is connected to internet. So that's how you can connect. So let me show you how you can set up on their management system. So to configure, go to on your computer, go to control panels, networks, and network connection, and then come here. As you can see, we have Ethernet here, so double click it, go to properties, then go to internet protocol version 4, then come here, use the following IP address, then here write 192.168.0. then here you can write between 2 to 253. so I write like 10. You can write either between 2 to 253. then here select, it will refill, then come here and then say okay, and then okay, then close this one, then go to your browser, any browser will do. On your address bar, type 192.168.0.254, then click to enter, then it will open. As you can see, so the default password and the username and password is admin, and the password is admin, then login. Then after that, it will bring you here, because those are not secure username and password. You need to create your own username and password. So I will write my channel name like this, then I will create my own password. I don't know why it is set as that one. Then create my own password. Like so. Don't know why. Let me put just my name. Yes, like that. Then I say finish. So forget about. As you can see, now we are on the Faro system. This is a Faro system. So you can come here to quick setup guide here, or you can come here on top here and select what mode you want to set your CPE210 to. As you can see, all these choices are the same as this one. So we have different choices or different modes. So we have access point, we have client, we have repeater, we have bridge, we have AP router, and then we have AP client router. So anyway, you can pause and read each and every one what it does. So this is how you can and then if you want like to access this one, to set it up as an access point, just select it, and you can here. So you can see we have next, and then you can set anything you want here. If you want to set as a repeater, you can just select this as a repeater, and then go next. Just set anything however you want, or you can just come here, then you can come to repeaters. As you can see here, and select yes. If you want to set it as a repeater, it will load and will open the setting for repeater. What you want, every setting you want to set for repeater, you can come here. As you can see, we have a lot of status. We have status, we have network here, we have wireless, we have management. However you want, you can just come here and set anything you want here. As you can see here, if it's a repeater, you want to extend an existing Wi-Fi. So if you select a repeater, you just come here to wireless, and then you can select here. If you want to see your existing Wi-Fi, just come here to survey, then it will list a lot of valuable networks within your region. Like mine is this one, so you can select this one if you want to extend this one. So just select this one, just select it here, and then you can connect. So it will connect my existing Wi-Fi network, and it will use that as a repeater. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I will catch you on my next one.